Hi, it's Justine Marjan, and over the next 4 weeks, I'm going to show you some hair tips and tutorials that you can do from home, starting with 3 ways to wear your hair when it's dirty. So the first thing you'll need to know for this is to start with a dry shampoo. Dry shampoo will be your best friend when your hair is feeling a little bit too dirty to style at the moment. If you're not familiar with dry shampoo, I would suggest that you spray about 8 to 10 inches away from the roots. Let it absorb into the hair and then brush through. You really need to brush it through so that it absorbs the excess oils and that it works through the mid-lengths and ends of your hair. Now that I feel like the dry shampoo has been absorbed by my hair, I'm just gonna go in and create really natural loose waves with a 1 1/4 inch curling iron. If you have shorter hair, you can go in with a smaller iron. And I take imperfect sections, about large chunks a couple inches wide. And then I'm just going to slide the iron at the root, twist it back, hold it till it gets hot, and then release. And I'll just continue sliding and twisting the iron throughout the length of the hair until I've curled all my hair. So once I can feel that the hair has cooled down from the iron, I'm just gonna use my fingers to break up the texture. So if your hair is dirty beyond dry shampoo's help, I'm going to show you how to create a sleek, slick, low braid that is super chic and can easily be worn with dirty hair. So the first thing you're going to want to do is start with a middle part, and I just like to make sure it's super clean from front to back. Next, I'm going to use a smoothing brush to gather my hair at the nape of the neck. And I will spray hairspray at the root so I have some hold while I'm brushing the hair. Now that I've gathered my hair where I want to see it, I'm just going to apply a little bit of gel with my fingertips and then work that through to keep the style in place and to hold any frizz and flyaways. Once I have my hair slicked to where I like it, I'm just going to secure with a regular elastic band. Then I'll add more gel and braid through the lengths of the ends. Now that I've braided through the ends, I'm just gonna add a little bit more gel to a toothbrush. And then I will use this to take down any flyaways and detail the hair around the front. All right, and this is the final look, a sleek low braid that you can easily do on dirty hair. The last look that I'm going to show you how to do for dirty hair is that sleek middle part bun that I'm sure you've seen on your favorite model. So the first thing you need to do is brush your hair out really well to make sure that it's free of any knots and tangles. Then I'm going to gather my hair back, and I'm basically just going to create the shape that I want to see. And we want the bun to sit about mid-length between the ears. Once I'm almost there, I'm just gonna apply a little bit of gel with my fingers throughout. Now I'm just going to secure this with an elastic into a ponytail. Before I secure the back into a bun, I'm gonna put a little bit of gel on a toothbrush, and then I can detail the hairline and brush back any flyaways so that the front looks really smooth. When it looks the way that I like it in the front, I'll just go ahead and twist the length of the ponytail and pin it into place. All right, this is the final look, a sleek bun that you can easily do on dirty hair.